Okay, this is the March 2025 Crop and Create event, and I want to show you what's in the box if you're interested in doing one of these events, if you haven't done one before. It is over 3 days, and there's different classes every day. I do a lot of paper crafting, and I buy stuff and I do not make the stuff. And so part of it, doing these events sometimes encourages me to make stuff. Here are some of the cards from the last event. And in this event, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 classes, I believe. 10, 11. And then there's a Mix It Up with Jennifer McGuire and a few other presentations. So let's see what's in the box. This is always the exciting part. All right. Paper away. Okay, so this is cool. This looks like it's magnetic. It's very heavy. Crop and Create delivered. Oh, exclusive magnetic bowl for all those little dies. Okay, great. Beautiful. I don't have anything like that. And then we'll start looking at what's in here. It looks like we're starting with Hero Arts. So, oh good, they're divided by class. So we got Hero Arts. We got some enamel dies, sentiments, cover die, fancy die. Ooh, a stencil that goes with this die. 1, 2, 3, 4 layered stencil, and a piece of colored cardstock and Hero wax, which I've never used. So that's kind of cool. I'm excited about that. Beautiful. The next one we have looks like Altenew. And I'm actually a junk journal at heart, so I absolutely save all of these papers as I watch Natasha on Treasure Books. And I'm starting to do more junk journaling than card making because I think it's better for the environment and it's definitely cheaper. So I will save this versus the other piece. I don't save everything. Okay, so Altenew, we got Floral, Laurel, layered stencils, 3D die, or excuse me, 3D embossing folder, a Floral Laurel die set, so that matches the stencils and the stamps. So we got the stencils, the stamps, the layered dies, the 3D embossing folder, and the stencils. Oh, that all match. Very cool. And Altenew always gives like a little thing you can color in and some coupons. So that's beautiful. So that's Altenew. And I'm very impressed with what you get versus some of these monthly subscriptions. So this is scrapbook.com. And we got a beautiful big set of dies and a stamp set. So we got the cute little deer and fox, matching dies. It looks like another little fox face. A lot of dies, gorgeous. Scrapbook.com. And it's for making Magic Meadow. Next we have LDRS Creative, Timeless Masked Petals. Got a nice little sticker on there. Okay. Oh, gorgeous. We have a cup and flowers, some word dies, and some masked stencils. Awesome. This is Concord and 9th Happy Mail embossing folder. See, this is one I will save for junk journaling. We'll sew around that, and we'll make a little pocket, put some paper around it. It's gonna be great. All right, so we got Concord and 9th Happy Mail embossing folder. I love it. I love my mail lady. She was in an accident. She's been missing for 3 weeks. I just sent her some mail today. Her name is Jennifer. I absolutely adore her. So Happy Mail. This is very cool. So we have the die that goes with the embossing folder. I don't have anything like this. This is very cute. Very cute. Concord and 9th. And we have Brutus Monroe. Oh, this looks interesting. So we'll try to start with the stamps here. So we have stamps. Today is a new day. Today we celebrate. You make me smile. Hello, my friend. And then there's dies that match the stamps. We have some beautiful background papers. Ooh, very pretty, very pretty. Some holographic papers, a couple holographic papers, very pretty. And some, what are these called? Transfers. And more stencils. Very cool. I always learn something new. I'm excited about that. That's Brutus Monroe. What else we got here? This is very fun. So we have Lawn Fawn. This is another keeper. All right. I love their little mice. And I'm gonna keep this because we use this either as a layering for dies or whatever. It will definitely get used. All right, what we got here? Oh, very cute little beach theme with dies, layering stencils, and oh, I wish I knew what the words were. Overall dies or whatever. We got some pretty patterned paper. And stencils. Ocean wave stencil. Very cool. Very cool. All right. Lawn Fawn. All right. And we have Gina K. Gina K's classes are always absolutely amazing. I just discovered her at the last Crop and Create, and I'm like, oh, I love, and that's why I kind of like these events. All right, so Gina K, we have a big, gorgeous stamp set, and it includes, looks like it includes the dies and stencils, or masking stencils. It looks like, or stencils. So we got the stamps, we got the dies, and we got a sheet of magnetic paper, to keep the dies. Very cool. This is Pink and Main. A nice folder it came in, which I end up keeping all of my stuff in my own way I organize everything. So I will repurpose a lot of this if I can get it out. I'll set that there for a second. So I'm definitely going to repurpose this. Very cool. All right, Pink and Main. we have a big, beautiful die set, jean pocket, some sentiments, an embossing folder, florals, and a 24 sheet pad of 6x6 gradient and dots paper. Very cool. Pink and Maine. Okay, they told us Spellbinders was not able to get their stuff to them in time, so that's going to come separately. Concord and Maine. Oh, I can always use another one of these, especially this size, for putting stamps on. I usually use a stamping machine, but this is very cool for smaller things. I will definitely use that. Let's see. I'm probably not going in order here. Oh, this is the last one we were waiting for. Wow, fancy. Tailored Expressions. Comes in a beautiful folder with, if you were keeping your stuff in a 3-ring binder, that's very cool. So, big, 8 by 10, 5 layered stencils. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. And if you made 8 by 10, that means you could use it for multiple cards. You could cut the images up for multiple cards. And dies. Looks like we have card bases. 4 card bases. And let's open this up. Create in quads. Now, I'm wondering if this is meant to cut out and use these. Yeah, they just gave us the sentiments already done. Wow, okay, that's interesting. They gave us a bunch of sentiments. Thinking of you, wishing you comfort in the coming days. We all need that, right? Just checking in to see how you've been. I can't thank you enough for your kindness. Yeah, they sent us already made sentiments. Love it. I'm excited to learn how to use that. They even provided envelopes. So that is very cool. So this is tailored. I love to get new stuff. I don't have any giant stencils. Plus it has the dies, plus the cardstocks, plus the sentiments. Very, very, very cool. Very impressed with Tailored Expressions. All of them. I don't mean to like single one out, but I guess I have to single one out. All right, what else we got here? Oh, yes, definitely need that. I love these misters. And I use them for sure. Okay, I'm gonna cut myself because I'm nervous about this. We'll take care of that later. And we got scrapbook.com pattern paper. I guess you can see that. Well, I don't want to keep bringing out my knife. I'm gonna slice myself up in front of. There we got pastel papers. So these are 40 and 40 sheets, 80 sheets of cardstock. And that's cardstock, not paper, so that's awesome. Spellbinders, lots of pretty color wheel cardstock, 28.5 by 5.5 sheets. That means it could be like even 40 card bases. Got longer colored paper. And it's cardstock. Gorgeous. And more paper. So looks like we have watercolor paper, different weights of white cardstock for dies or card bases, black paper, forget what this khaki paper is called, craft cardstock. You can tell them this is my full-time job. All right, very cool, very cool. And a beautiful binder. I love the color of this box too. All right, so we got the table of contents, which is the classes. So you can see what classes we will be making. And step-by-step directions. So it will have, nope, oh, I love this. Look at that. No pre-class prep work needed. Thank you, Tailored Expressions. And so what we're gonna do during class, how to make the cards. Yeah, so you have the picture and step-by-step how to make. And it looks like we're making 4 cards and no prep. Thank you, Tailored Expressions. Magic Meadow. So it shows what's in the kit. You can take notes. This is the homework. Okay, so that's helpful. It at least shows what you're needed to do in the homework. So you'll be ready to make these cards. And then the cards that we're making. Cheerful Chirps, homework, and the cards that we're making. So, I don't know if you want to see this whole thing, but I enjoyed going to Jen's class in the fall, and that's what got me signed up for another one of her home virtual retreats where she sent everything already prepped for the classes. This was very cool. I'm about crafting, not so much about cutting out dies and doing tons of little mini prep work. Although I do like copy dyeing paper, and I like all the junk journal little prep work. I feel like it, I'm sorry, I'm just talking. But I'm loving these cards, and I like that they're all so different. And now I'm starting to skip around. I love that they're all so different. So I'm gonna try them, and then sometimes there was a lady the last time that showed some techniques that I hadn't done before, and I went into her and bought some of her stuff. So it's like a good way to sample stuff and then decide what it is that you want to look at more. And that looks pretty cool with Hero Works too. So I'm very excited for this. It's 3 days in March, and thank you.